Alhamdulillah, trip to Nigeria so far has been very successful, as we've been invited by the Sultan of Sokoto. It's been very successful, and Alhamdulillah, the first lecture that I had was on the topic Islam and Christianity, a comparative study. Yes. It was in Usman Danfodio University, and Alhamdulillah, more than 10,000 people attended, and a lot of youth were there in that program. And you could see the enthusiasm of the audience and of the students. They were very enthusiastic, and Alhamdulillah, there were certain questions also were asked by non-Muslims. Alhamdulillah, one person accepted Islam. And besides that, the other lectures as well, the lectures that were delivered by my father in Ilorin, and even in the lecture that was delivered last night in Abuja, lectures, they were good, Alhamdulillah. And Alhamdulillah, in Nigeria, we see the Muslims that they are very receptive when it comes to Islamic work, when it comes to da'wah, when it comes to learning about Islam. And especially the youth, they are very enthusiastic to do something for the deen, to do something for the cause of Islam. Even when I was interacting with many of the youth, they were very interested and keen in learning about da'wah, the different ways of da'wah, the techniques of da'wah, how to deliver the message. And the topic that they gave me to speak on in the university, Usman Danfodio, they requested me to talk about Islam and Christianity so that we can talk about the similarities and live in peace and harmony. These are the two great religions in Nigeria, that both these major world religions, they focus upon the oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is mentioned in the Quran, and it is even mentioned in the Bible, which I spoke in detail in my lecture.
Right.